what is market basket analysis? Say you go to a supermarket and a person purchases cheese, bread, apple, milk. Another person purchases bread, butter, cheese. Third person takes up a basket and he buys milk, banana, butter, cheese. Fourth person purchases bread, butter, cheese, banana. So if you see in the given case, 3 out of 4 instances you have butter and cheese purchased together. So it makes sense for the retailer to keep butter and cheese in the shelf next to each other, because the observation shows that butter and cheese are purchased together by many people. So market basket is a data mining technique used by retailers to increase sales by better understanding customer purchasing patterns. It involves analyzing large data sets because a supermarket will have lots of customers visiting the market and purchasing the material throughout the day, and not only on in the market but on the e-com platform. Lot of customers land up on the website and make purchases. So it involves the market basket analysis involves analyzing large data sets such as purchase history to reveal product grouping as well as products that are likely to be purchased together. In our example, we have seen that cheese and butter are likely to be purchased together. The adoption of market basket analysis was aided by the advent of electronic point of sale systems, where the purchases are recorded at the point of sale and then they are available at the same instance onto the database. So compared to handwritten records kept by small store owners, the digital records generated by POS systems made it easier for applications to process and analyze large volumes of purchase data. So implementation of market basket analysis requires a background in statistics and data science, as well as some algorithmic computer programming skills. For those without the needed technical skills, commercial off-the-shelf tools are available. Some of the tools that are available in the market today are Tableau, R, Excel, and many other tools are available. We'll see types of market basket analysis. So there are 2 types: predictive market basket analysis and differential market basket analysis. So predictive market basket analysis considers items purchased in sequence to determine cross-sale. Differential market basket analysis, this type considers data across different stores as well as purchases from different customer groups during different of the day, a month or year. If a rule holds in one dimension like store time period or customer group but does not hold in the other, marketing analysts can determine the factors responsible for the exception. These insights can lead to a new product offers that drive higher sales. The purpose of market basket analysis is to increase the sales. Now we'll see some of the algorithms available. In market basket analysis, association rules are used to predict the likelihood of products being purchased together. Association rules count the frequency of items that occur together, seeking to find associations that occur far more often than expected. Commonly used algorithms that uses association rule include a priori algorithm, Apriori algorithm is commonly cited by data scientists in research articles about market basket analysis and is used to identify frequent items in the database, then evaluate their frequency as the datasets are expanded to large size. The Arul package of R programming language, is an open source toolkit for association mining using the R programming language. Now see some of the examples of market basket analysis. The Amazon website employs a well-known example of market basket analysis. Market basket analysis also applies to bricks and mortar stores. Take an example. If analysis showed that magazine purchases often include the purchase of a bookmark, so this is an unexpected combination since the consumer did not purchase a book, he purchased a magazine, and along with the magazine he purchased the bookmark. So in that case, analysis can suggest the bookstore owner that the bookstore might place a selection of bookmarks near the magazine rack. We'll see some of the benefits of market basket analysis. Market basket analysis can increase sales and also it can lead to higher customer satisfaction. Using data to determine that products are often purchased together, retailers can optimize product placement, offer special deals and create new product bundles to encourage further sales of this combination. These improvements can generate additional sales for the retailer while making the shopping experience more productive and valuable for the customer. By using market basket analysis, customers may feel a stronger sentiment or brand loyalty towards the company. To summarize, market basket analysis is a technique which identifies the strength of association between pairs of products purchased together and identify patterns of co-occurrence. A co-occurrence is when two or more things take place together. Market basket analysis creates if-then scenarios. If item A is purchased in a supermarket, then item B is likely to be purchased. The rules are probabilistic in nature, or in other words, they are derived from the frequencies of co-occurrence in the observation. Frequency is the proportion of baskets that contain the items of interest. Finally, the rules can be used in pricing strategies, product placement, and various types of cross-selling strategies. Thank you.